Hello dear students, welcome back to Class 4th Science, chapter number 7. Students, today we'll continue with our chapter, Keeping Safe. In our previous lecture, we have discussed about various safety rules to be followed at home. Under this head, we have learned some kitchen safety rules, general safety rules and bathroom safety rules. I hope you all have understood that very well. Okay, now before moving ahead, let's take a quick recap of what we have learned in our first. Accidents take place when we are careless. Accidents can be avoided if we follow safety rules. Safety rules should be followed at home, in the kitchen, in bathroom and while playing. Do not play with sharp objects, matchbox and electrical appliances. Do not consume any medicine on your own. Do not leave your things hither and thither. So these are the few tips that we have already learned in our previous lecture. Now, the learning objectives of this lecture. On completion of this module, you will be able to discuss school safety rules, safety rules on the road, safety rules in public places, safety rules on the beach, safety rules while playing with dogs, and safety rules while traveling in a vehicle. Let's first have a look at the keywords. Accident, lifeguard, stationary, laboratory, pedestrian, footpath, staircase and transport. We'll first see some school safety rules. Some safety rules are prescribed to be followed in school. Accidents can be avoided if these safety rules are followed. And they are: never throw stationary objects such as pencils, pens, rulers, sharpeners or erasers at each other. They can cause you injury. Do not run around in the class or in the corridors. Do not climb on chairs and desks. You may fall down and hurt yourself. Do not run up and down the stairs. Never push anybody on stairs. Always stay careful while working in a laboratory. Okay, a laboratory has certain chemicals that can be dangerous if they are not handled carefully. So be careful while working in a laboratory. Now, some safety rules to be followed on the road, because most of the accidents occur on road. While on the road, always walk on the footpath. In case there is no footpath, walk on the extreme left of the road. Okay, use the zebra crossing or the pedestrian crossing while crossing the road. The zebra crossing, you must have seen the white and black belts on the road. Okay, it depicts the zebra crossing. Always check that no vehicle is coming from either side before crossing the road. Do not ride your cycle on busy roads. Avoid riding bicycles on busy roads. Always follow the traffic signal and cross the road only when the signal is green, because green says that you can go now. Look right, then left and again right before crossing the road. Okay, cross the road when it is clear. And always obey the traffic policeman standing there and or avoid crossing between parked vehicles also. Now, safety rules to be followed in public places. You often go to marketplaces or movie theaters or some other public place with your parents. Okay, so there also you should follow certain safety rules, and they are: do not run around unnecessarily. You may get separated from your parents. Okay, do not run around here and there. Okay, be with your parents. If you are out, be with your parents. If there are staircases, walk on the left side so that the other people can pass through. Do not talk to strangers. This one is very important. Do not talk to strangers in public places. Okay, and even if they offer you some eatables like ice creams, chocolates, do not accept any kind of eatables from someone you do not know. And do not share your personal details with anyone. Your personal details like your address, your phone number, your papa or your mama's phone number with strangers. And never touch any unidentified objects. If something is lying on the road or any other public place, do not touch it. Do not touch any suspicious or unidentified objects. Now, safety rules while playing with dogs. We should be very careful when we are around animals. Okay, because if we disturb them, if we tease them, they may bite us, they may hurt us. Okay, so we should follow certain precautions when we are near animals. You should not play with stray dogs as they can bite you. Do not run away from a dog if it is walking towards you. If it is walking towards you, don't get panic. Stay calm and call for an adult. Take an adult with you if you are taking your pet dog for a walk. Okay, when you are taking your pets for a walk, take someone elder with you, some elder with you. Okay, always wash your hands with soap and water after touching a dog. Okay, why? Because it may carry certain germs and that can make you fall ill. Safety rules to be followed on the beach. When you are on the beach, be very careful. Do not swim in the water alone. Do not go too far into the water. It may be very risky. Be careful while walking on the beach. Okay, look out for the toys, shovels, buckets and spades lying around on the beach. Okay, just be careful while walking. You may fall down and hurt yourself. Then safety rules to be followed while traveling. Okay, there are few safety rules that need to be followed when you are traveling in a private transport like your car or a jeep, or in a public transport like bus or train or an aeroplane. Okay, most important, wear a seat belt while traveling in a car. Do not play loud music inside the car. This may disturb the person who is driving. And you should encourage the driver to follow traffic rules. If your mama or your papa is driving the car, you should encourage him or her to follow all the traffic rules. Do not put your hand outside the window of the car or any other transport. Okay? No. Never get up and move around in the bus. Okay? If suddenly the brakes are applied, what will happen? You will fall down and hurt yourself. Offer seats to the elderly or sick people in a bus or train. Okay? Fine. You should offer seats to someone who is elder to you, or someone who is sick in a bus or train. Do not push others while entering or leaving a public transport. When you are entering a public transport like a bus or train, or you are leaving a bus or a train, do not push others. Don't be in so hurry. Okay, and you should read all the signals very carefully while traveling. Now stand in a queue and wait for your turn to enter. Okay, when you are waiting for a public transport at a bus stop, you should stand in a queue, and when the bus arrives, you should wait for your turn to enter into the bus. Fine. So remember these safety rules while traveling also. Fine. So that's all for today's lecture. But before ending, let's take a look at the key takeaways, the main from this lecture. Okay. Some safety rules are prescribed to be followed in school. Be very careful while you are on road. You should follow all traffic rules. While in public places, avoid talking to strangers. Do not touch unidentified objects. Do not play with stray dogs. When on the beach, do not swim alone. Wear a seat belt while traveling. Read all the signals very carefully. So these are the points you should. Have a good day, students. Take care.